Hi, and welcome to the show. Today we want to wish Warren Buffett a very happy birthday. It is his 90th birthday. Can you imagine he's 90 years old today? Yep. Happy birthday, Warren Buffett. And Mr. Bill Gates baked him a nice birthday cake. And they've been friends for a while. Wish Berkby would definitely have some Microsoft in it. And so speaking of Microsoft, so who will be the new proud owners of TikTok US territories? And there's Microsoft partnering up with Walmart or Oracle. So hopefully we'll find out whose bid for TikTok we'll find out this week. So Tesla and Apple split. So are you guys excited?
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Yep, everyone's excited about Tesla and Apple split because that means instead of over $2,000 a share that Tesla was, you can now get it for a smaller price. And Apple shares just skyrocketed again, and now they're at a reasonable around 125 today. But there's going to be a pre-market, so who knows where it's going to be at pre-market by the time that you can buy it on Monday. But I think there's a lot of excitement to get into Apple and Tesla, because Tesla's not only a car company, electric vehicle car company, they are so innovative and disruptive with their solar energy, and just Elon Musk is just a true disruptor. So do check and see your plan of action on Tesla and Apple. And there's going to be some day traders and people taking profits, especially institutions, and so, but I think people will be piling in. And some Apple news. Apple, I don't know if you heard, they acquired DreamWorks virtual reality startup called Spaces. Wow. So you'll be able to put your face on an avatar. That sounds really cool. And then, speaking of things, there's a little tension between everyone. Gosh, Facebook is upset with Apple, and it's saying, it's telling its advertiser that Apple's up-and-coming anti-tracking tools will cause a more than 50% drop in audience network publisher revenue due to the removal of personalization from ads within apps, according to the news sources like NPR News. Oh, so Facebook is upset with Apple, and then Fortnite is kicked off of Apple. Money, money, money. So let's see. Oh, some other news. Tesla is heading to Battery Day, September 22nd. So that will be coming up. And we are also waiting to see if Tesla gets into the S&P 500. What do you guys think? Yeah, we are definitely hoping, because if it gets to the S&P 500, then the institutions and funds have to buy it, and we'll all be happy. We'll all be going, yay! Okay, so let's do some more news so I can recap everything so you are planned out for the week to do your strategy. Remember, disclaimer, I'm not a licensed broker. You have to be 18 years or over to listen to this. Do use the links below, get some free stocks, support the podcast, simply subscribe, give us 5 stars. And BlackBerry software is almost has 200 million vehicles. Their software is in almost 200 million vehicles. I just wanted to let you kind of know, because everyone's been asking, well, how did they do that? And it's collecting data for anonymous driving. And, data is the big thing. Whoever is selling your data is benefiting. And we should all get a piece of the pie in that. So we should write to Congress and say, hey, it's our data, and we should get a piece of the pie. But everyone's collecting our data, especially for anonymous driving. And BlackBerry is the silent company who will make billions off anonymous driving. They collect billions of miles a day. Oh, okay. So that's what, according to news sources. Okay, so Amazon, another thing, has a new health and wellness and fitness app and a subscription service called Halo. Wow. How many of you guys are using that? Yeah, do you like it? Well, let us know.
Yay!
I know you guys are excited about it, but then you're like, wait, isn't that like Apple and Fitbit? What? Yeah, hello. So, are you saying that Apple is getting into Fitbit? Amazon is getting into Apple Watch and Fitbit territory. Ooh, so Amazon Halo's Band, it doesn't have a screen, they're saying. So this app tracks your fitness and well-being using your camera to create 3D scans of your body fat and then listens to the emotion in your voice. Oh, hello, Girl's Guide to Investing. You're sounding a little peaked today. I think you do need more support for your channel. Ching, ching, ching. Do support the channel by subscribing using our links below, our affiliate links, and get your free stock. It's a win-win for you and us. Okay. So Neo News, everyone's been asking about Neo News. Have you heard about the delusion? You're like, what is delusion? Am I deluded? So when companies are new and they're growing, they do some delusion. Sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's good. It's up to you to speak to your licensed financial broker and your accountant and make your wise decisions. So Neo is offering 75 million shares delusion, and Morgan Stanley did the underwriting. And it looks like they're raising capital, and Bin Lao has a huge stake in the company, and it seems like they want to buy out their equity. So short term, this seems pretty negative, but long term, if Tesla's doing great and Neo is really, it's performing pretty well during the pandemic. It is delivering cars. It did deliver a profit, and Neo was bailed out by the Chinese government at the beginning of the year, and you do need cash to grow and to succeed. Its second quarter proved positive results during the pandemic, and Neo, I believe, is a long hold. It's risky. Short term will be bumpy. And I do like their battery as a service. I think that's really, really cool because, when your battery is old, no problem. You just replace it with a new, modern, updated battery. So you keep the car structure, and then you get that new battery, and your car is the latest fantastic new car. So it updates your car so it doesn't get outdated, which I think is a very interesting concept. So you know how your car is updated with the latest and the best. And so we're truly living in the Jetson cartoon age where robots and the only thing we don't have is a car that flies yet or hovers yet, or skateboards or bicycles that hovers. So Google, another famed stock, has its own robot assistant. Is that cool? Oh, so a robot. So robot, I want you to clean my house and sweep the floor, make the bed. Well, there's robots that do sweep the floor. Yeah. That's my robot saying, hey, subscribe, give us 5 stars, use the links below. And do email us your questions. Okay. So it can, and it also recommends things to you. Donate to the podcast. Go make a cake. Go to the beach. Walk your dog. Invest in Google. Do start your own business or YouTube channel. So, I mean, that can be good or bad if it comes in with subliminal messages that, need to buy Google products and stuff like that. So, that could be, it's the modern technology, but there's always that a double-edged sword that, how dangerous that could be. Or okay, so Fastly, a provider of content delivery networking services, just bought Signal Sciences, a security monitoring and management company, for $775 million. And you'll hear more about Fastly with my new guest on my podcast, Jack Sneed. Do listen to that podcast. Okay, Digital Currency Group is a subsidiary Digital Currency Group, DCG, is a subsidiary. Their subsidiary, the Foundry, announced that they will invest 100 million into mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in North America over the coming months. So that could be very interesting. So Digital Currency Group, there's more people getting into this Bitcoin. So they invested 100 million. So Fortnite game, we told you, is kicked off of Apple and Google apps. So it's kind of split into two games. So if you have Apple, you might only have this game. If you have Google, you have that game, or Xbox or whatnot. So that kind of is not a good thing. Oh, and then in the news, a Golden Nugget. Most of you know Golden Nugget, the online gaming. So Lancadia, Lancadia, Lancadia will soon acquire Golden Nugget. Golden Nugget is the online gaming. And so LCA, which is Lancadia, so that ticker symbol LCA is going to be GNOG for Golden Nugget. So if more states go legal to do online gambling, that could be good, right? The owner is Tillman Fertitta, and he's a billionaire and owner of the Houston Rockets. And the NBA approved the $2.2 billion purchase by Fertitta in October 2017 for the Houston Rockets. And Fertitta owns the Golden Nuggets Casino and Landry's Texas-based restaurant and entertainment company. He did lay off over 40,000 employees at his casino during the pandemic. And so Lancadia Holdings II Inc. is a blank check company formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combinations with one or more businesses. And this is co-sponsored by Fertitta Entertainment, that's Fertitta Entertainment Inc., and Jefferies Financial Group. So you will see that the owner and the seller is Tim Fertitta. So some people are like, what? But so, but as long as it's not illegal, they're allowed to do it. And and so that's the stock recap news to get you started for Monday. I hope all of your investments go well. Please be safe. Winter is coming, and those of you make it $100 or less right now, it doesn't look like you're getting the $300 a week from the federal unemployment extension. If you made $100 or more, you will be getting that. Please do support the podcast. We really appreciate it. Do use our affiliate links and enjoy a free stock or 2 or 3 or 4, and have a really great day. And like always, be smart moguls, and thank you for enjoying the show.